Yeah, spring is in full swing, and it is time to get our lawns and our gardens prepped for the season.
So, home contractor Skip Bedell joins us with the latest products to take care of your yard. What's up, Skip?
We are here, guys. Listen, it's all about the right grass seed, right? You can only have a good lawn if you've got the right grass seed. I've been using Jonathan Green. My grandfather told me about Jonathan Green grass seed. They've been around since 1881, longer than anybody. So let me show you this great product. This is their patcher, okay? So what this is, if you have a brown spot in your lawn, say from the dogs, or you have like a dry spot, you basically rake up your soil a little bit, you sprinkle some of this on, and then you water it, and basically everything that you need is in this, from the fertilizer to all the different ingredients are put right into this jug, so it makes it super easy. You sprinkle it out, you water it in 7 to 14 days, you got a beautiful looking lawn.
There we go.
What's really different about this than any other grass seed available on the market is a couple of things. First of all, most grass, the roots grow about 6 inches down. The roots on Jonathan Green grass about 4 feet down.
Whoa.
So it's always pulling that water. Very drought resistant, disease resistant. And the best thing is,
easy.
yeah, you can find these in independent hardware stores, but look, so they got sun and shade, heat, drought, dense shade. The best part is you have special seed for whatever your conditions are. So,
all right. I thought you have to hire a landscaper, then you get sod. I live in an apartment.
no, it's so easy.
Well, I've got spots in my yard.
Do you?
John,
You
listen,
take
so
some of this
think of
home.
like an apple skin with a waxy coating.
Yes.
The seed retains the water, which is what makes it special. So,
Awesome.
Jonathan Green, you want to have good looking green grass? Jonathan Green is the way to go.
Okay, now this is for the gardeners.
It is, yeah. So gardeners.com, I love these guys. They are free shipping anywhere in the country. Let me show you some of the things that I use at my house. This is a roll-out recycled rubber walkway. So basically, you roll this out in your garden, you got an instant walkway. Super easy, water drains through it, no weeds. The other one they have here is coco coir, which is made out of natural fiber. So it makes it really easy to have a nice walkway in your garden without getting mud on your feet.
What is this?
All right.
Okay, so this is easy. So if you want to have a beautiful edging along your garden beds, it comes on a 50-foot roll. This is the Easy Fleck edging. You simply roll it out, you hammer down these spikes, and you backfill it with mulch, and you have a perfect clean line on your bed every time. The other one we have is this pound-in edging. So you just hammer this in with a mallet, and it gives you a really nice clean edge. So these products right here will give you a perfect walkway and define your gardens. And if you like the raised garden beds, which is very popular right now, like this rustic farmhouse look, I use these at home. These are great to grow your vegetables in, your flowers, whatever you like. They come in different styles. They even have nice wood ones, which is really great.
So you can grow your vegetables, so you don't have to rip up your grass.
You don't have to rip up your grass. You don't have to bend over. Everything is raised up out of the insects and away from the animals.
Good for your boys. You could do that with the boys.
Oh, yeah, they're going to be excited about gardening.
Yeah, it makes it super easy, because they ship everything right to your house too, so you don't have to go to like the store and lug all that heavy stuff in your truck. It shows up right at your front porch, and right now there's free shipping for everything.
And now's the time, Skip, right? Now's the time to be doing it.
Right now, we're in the spring. It doesn't feel like spring, but now is the time to get your yard looking great, guys.
Gardeners.com, free shipping.
Absolutely.
And you can go to your website,
You can go to Skip,
skipbedell.com.
of course, you can always go to I got special links for all the Fox viewers, everything there.
There we go.
Can you use these?
skipbedell.com.
I mean, if you live in an apartment and you have a balcony, you could put one of those out.
Absolutely, yeah. You
Grow
just bolt it
vegetables.
together and put it out. It's super easy.
Okay, thank you. A Fox News alert right now. Police